Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add songs to your library on YouTube Music using a phone. Let's get started. First, open your YouTube Music app on the phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, browse or search for a song you like. You will see the song listed with its title, artist and a small menu 3 dot next to it. Now to add it to your library, you have two options. One way is to tap the 3 dot menu next to your song and then tap Save to Library or Add to Library. Another quick way is while the song is playing, just tap the plus symbol or the library icon under the album cover. Once you tap that, the song is instantly saved to your library. You will know it worked when the icon changes color or it says added. You can repeat this process for as many songs, album or even playlist as you want. To find your saved song later, just tap on library at the bottom of your screen. Just tap on library, then choose songs, album or artist. Everything you have added will neatly organized there, ready to play anytime without searching again. And that's it. Now you know how to add songs to your library on YouTube Music with your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.